In today's video, I will show you how to update your voicemail greeting on RingCentral, whether you want to record a new one or upload a custom file. So launch your app or navigate to the website service.ringcentral.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click your profile icon or go to the top menu and select Settings. Then choose Phone Settings or Message and Notifications. Scroll down and look for Voicemail Greeting or Call Handling and Voicemail. Click Edit next to the voicemail section. You'll now see the options to use the default greeting, record a greeting using your microphone, or upload an audio file. Choose Record to create a new message now, or select Upload if you already have a pre-recorded greeting. After recording or uploading your new greeting, don't forget to click Save. Your voicemail is now updated and callers will hear your new message. And that's how you update your voicemail greeting on RingCentral. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.